It's Sybil Wilkes with what you need to know. Today, it's Monday, October 7th, 2024. Number 1. With another hurricane on the horizon, efforts are underway to bring some assistance, relief, sense of comfort, and normalcy to less than normal environments. A rapidly intensifying Milton was upgraded to a Category 1 hurricane Sunday afternoon and is expected to get stronger as it approaches Florida's west coast and the increasingly warm Gulf of Mexico waters. Milton is expected to make landfall almost exactly 2 weeks after Helene upended lives, especially residents of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, and Tennessee. Number 2, a legal filing submitted by Department of Justice Special Counsel Jack Smith was opened by Judge Tanya Chutkan in the election interference case against Donald Trump. Smith argued that Trump acted after the election as a candidate, not as president of the United States, in a losing bid to hold on to the office and the power on January 6, 2021. The Smith filing goes into detail with what Donald Trump's own people said, all within Trump's inner circle, including former Vice President Mike Pence. Number 3, about 8 to 10% of African Americans, or roughly 1 to 3 million people, carry the sickle cell trait, meaning they have inherited one sickle cell gene from one parent and a normal hemoglobin gene from the other. While some carriers do not have sickle cell disease themselves, they can pass that gene on to their children. And if both parents then have the trait, there's a 25% chance their child will develop the disease. Dr. Julie Payne-Pinto emphasizes the importance of understanding the implications of the trait for family planning and health awareness in today's newsletter. Number 4, a Fulton County Superior Court judge has overturned Georgia's heartbeat law for the second time, deeming the Living Infants Fairness and Equality Act, or the LIFE Act, unconstitutional. The law, initially passed in 2019, banned abortions after detecting a fetal heartbeat at around 6 weeks and required physicians to report such cases, significantly reducing the previous 20-week allowance. Judge Robert McBurney ruled that Georgia's law violated the U.S. Constitution based on the ab initio principle, arguing an unconstitutional law cannot become valid even if constitutional conditions change later. It's Ministry Monday, and that's number 5. Webster's Dictionary defines trust as relying on the integrity or principles of another person. In contrast, trusting in God means placing complete faith in Him for everything. To trust in God means to only put your confidence in Him, for having confidence in something means having an assurance that leads to action, and God is an action word. Read more about trusting in God in today's Ministry Monday column. Here's your daily inspiration from Yogi's Jewels. If something is not working, try something different for a better path forward. Join me today live on YouTube and Facebook at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central with social justice contributor Coy Malone as we discuss the day's top headlines and more. Thank you to our What You Need to Know partners, the American Heart Association and Black Health Matters. I'm Sybil Wilkes. Be informed, be empowered.